Patient registration and visit creation is done in the registration page. To register a new patient, click New to reset this page. This is the waiting list icon, click this to open the waiting list. This is the waiting list for visits. This is the same list that will appear in the patient page. This is the chief complaint as saved while registering this patient in the registration page. This can be changed/edited by simply typing in. This is the triaging color. Click this icon to change to none, N, green, G, yellow, Y, or red, R. Clicking this icon will show the vital signs box. These vital signs can be entered before the patient sees the doctor. Click Save to save the entered data. The vital signs box can be closed by clicking on this icon again. This white box indicates that there are no notes/remarks or packages selected for this visit. Click this box to open the notes/package box. This is the notes/package box for this visit. If you have any packages available, they will be listed here. The package can be selected here. To view the content of the package, click View after selecting the package. Notes for this visit can be entered here. Note that this note is temporary and is not saved once the visit is finalized. Notes entered here will only appear in this waiting list box. Click Enter to save the notes or to enter the package into this visit. If any notes or package is saved for this visit, this box will be in red. Doctors, staffs and agents can be assigned to this visit by clicking on this area. To assign a doctor, search for the doctor here and select from the drop-down list. Staff can also be searched and assigned. If you have any agents saved, they can be searched and assigned as well. Agents are third parties that may receive commissions, refer managing sales agents. Click Save to save the assigned doctor, staff and agent. Clicking the patient name will bring to the patient page. If all clinics is ticked, whenever search for patient is done, it will search from these connected clinics/branches as well. Unticking this will only search from this clinic and not the branches. The connected clinics/branches can be listed by clicking here. By default, all clinics are ticked. When name or ID is searched, all the clinics ticked here will be searched as well. If necessary, you can specify the clinics to be searched. Click this icon to close this clinic listing box. This number indicates the number of appointments for the day. Click to list the appointments. This is the day's appointment list. You can register this patient by clicking on the name. Patients can also be registered from the appointments page. In this example, this is the appointment for the day. Click R to select this patient into the registration page. The patient with the appointment will be automatically selected in the registration page. To create a visit, click Create Visit Now. For new patients, once all the patient details have been entered, click Register to register the patient details. Visits can only be created for registered patients. Patient's full name with proper capitalization is required as this will be printed on receipts, reports and on any printouts. Existing patients can be searched by name here. Patient's identification, IC/passport number, is required as well. Existing patients can be searched by ID here. Important, avoid using space, dash or special characters for the ID. Existing patients can also be searched with their full telephone numbers. Existing patients can also be searched with their full email addresses. If Check Visit Token Reminder is shown, it means the HR portal must be checked for a valid visit token issued by the panel. The visit can only be billed under panel if valid visit token is available. To check for valid visit token, Click Panel Portal to open the HR Portal box. This indicates a visit token, number 41 that is valid till 1st of July 2020, has been issued for this patient. Click on this to see details. These are the details of the visit token. Clicking on this name will fill up the details in the registration page. This indicates that a visit token has been tagged to this visit that will be created when Create Visit Now is clicked. To be continued in patient registration and visit, Part 2.